Yo guys, what is up? We just finished the pair and install on my WRX, and now we're over here at my friend Sunny's WRX. And Sunny's installing a top mount intercooler, charge pipe, and bypass valve at the bottom.
Bypass valve is Boomba, and the Grimspeed I have for the charge pipe as well as the intercooler.
Nice. How many guys will it take to finish this install in 1 hour? That's all we have left.
Take out the clamps. I tap to take out clamps. No, just taking off a few bolts here, 1 on this side and 3 on this side, and the intercooler should come right out. So with the charge pipe, it's just 2 bolts at the bottom, as well as disconnected through the stock bypass valve, and it should come right out. So this here is the Grimspeed charge pipe comparing to the stock one. Apparently it's bigger, and this should be a direct replacement. So this one here is the Grimspeed top mount intercooler comparing to the stock one, and you can see the size difference on both of them. This one's dramatically a lot bigger.
Oh, it's tight. There we go.
So here we're just using a Dremel to cut off about 1/4 of an inch from the OEM turbo inlet, where the connection is made to the Boomba bypass valve to make it fit. Next, we just need to fit everything back up together, get everything connected back up, get the charge pipe connected, the bypass valve connected, get everything lined up, and then tighten everything down. Alright guys, so the overall install on the Grimspeed top mount intercooler with the charge pipe and then including the Boomba bypass valve at the bottom was overall like a couple hours, 1 or 2 hours to do. So it's pretty straightforward. Getting that top mount off, you do have to remove any cross brace that you have, or strut tower bar.
And the brackets.
And the brackets as well. So we got everything installed, everything works, we checked for leaks, it runs, it looks good. So I guess it'll be the moment of truth when you drive it home. If you notice anything different or not, you'll have to
hopefully
make another
for the flutter
video. Yeah, the sound. Maybe in the next video then we'll see what your thoughts are of it and hear some of that. If you guys want to check out Sunny's Instagram, what is it?
It's ssk.wong.
I'll have a link down below in the description if you want to check out his build. As always guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having a great day or night, whatever it is where you are.
So we're gonna be taking off a few boats. Boats. Yo, boats, man. No, just taking off a few bolts here, 1 on 1.